Hi guys! So nawala pala yung clip ng intro ko dito. Pero we're just heading out to do some agendas for self-care and then sa academics. This is a day before our colloquium sa thesis. So,
If you guys wondering, bakit ako nakapayong at naka-jacket? Naka-sleeveless po kasi ako. Hindi pa ako ulit ganun ka confident and comfortable wearing backless. Ayan. So, super init, like super. Look. We're at the mall now. Akyat lang tayo kasi sa taas yung skin station. It's 2:02. Medyo pasok pa naman tayo sa time. Sana unti lang yun yung tao. Hindi ko. After yan po, may schedule po. 2 p.m.
Anong grade mo?
4D. Underarm.
so each every session may fill up lang kayo ng consent form kasi may pictorial session yun sa loob. But I'm here at the Skin Stations District Imus branch and last session ko na to actually ng 4D underarm and I can tell na worth it yung birthday gift na in-fill ko for 3,700 na 4 sessions. So here is some clips of the session. So here, nagpa-consult lang ako kay Ate what to avail next. And if you would guys ask me kung masakit ba siya from a person na first timer at maarte. Sa first to second session is maninibago at ramdam mo pa yung pitik ng laser pero swear, hindi talaga siya masakit. And I was actually surprised sa results to kaya we'll definitely continue this. So every session I had here is parang less than 30 minutes lang at sobrang bilis lang talaga niya. And now we're heading to National Bookstore to buy some token for our advisors at thesis. So here, we know what to get naman na talaga kasi as a person na gusto talagang satisfied at ma-enjoy talaga na pagbibigyan yung regalo, inasa namin yung advisor namin if ano yung gusto niya. Kaya nasa stamp area ako. Pero kahit pare-parehas lang naman silang stamps, kinakonsult ko pa din siya sa leader namin. Kasi very impulsive din ako minsan. Pag nagre-regalo, baka mapamahal kami. Ako pa masisi, di ba? It's better to be safe. So talagang sinadya ko iwan yung cam yan for a while para wala lang, ma-feeling natin talagang vlogger tayo and for the transition, di ba? Pero binilikan ko yan guys. So supposedly kasi sa Jayco o kaya sa Starbucks lang tayo mag-aaral ng thesis sa district. Pero ang dami kasing tao kaya I'll be just trying the La Sanche Cafe around Malino. So, we're now at SM Molino kasi hanggang dyan lang yung jeep. Pero malapit lang naman siya kaya lakarin na natin.
Good thing enough na may isang kagrupo ko na nag-volunteer sa aming colloquium today. So, we get some ideas yung kung paano yung questioning ng ibang panelist, ibang chairperson. So, yeah. So later, ang mangyayari is pagka-settle natin sa cafe, off muna ako ng all social medias, pero mag-picture muna tayo, of course. It was my first time to do such things like this alone. Like, yung lalakbay ka talaga para doon. So, I don't know kung malapit na ba tayo or what. But I think we are. Onting giling na lang. So, first time ko din para sa area na to. So, kaya mas prefer ko rin talaga yung maglakad. Para nakikita ko na kung nasaan ako at hindi ako lumagpas. I'm gonna check my phone. Kung are we near ba or naliligaw na tayo. Okay, so medyo malapit na, parang isang kanto na lang or two. So here is it. Tada! Finally. I hope konti lang yung tao.
So, we're starting to settle in hanggang inaantay ang aking iced mocha. Yes. And nag-report lang din muna ako sa grupo namin dun sa mga token na binili ko for our advisor. So, finally, we got our coffee and to be honest, nahihiya at uncomfortable ako niyan kasi nakikita ko sa peripheral view ko na patingin-tingin yung nasa harap na gilid ko kasi nakitable lang muna ako kasi walang parang solo space for me at that moment. Ayan, so, yeah. So as of this moment, inaaral at inaayos ko yung sagot ko sa ilang question na hinanda namin magkakagrupo at ng advisor namin. Hindi ko alam at sobrang kabado ako kahit alam na alam ko naman yung study namin. Masarap yung kape ko guys sadyang mabagal lang ako uminom ng kape at sobrang focused lang ako. Adjust. At dahil tapos ko na aralin ang mga bagay-bagay sa aming papel, pinapractice ko naman dito yung full script ko from the start up until the end of the colloquium presentation. that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!